Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Use a wired 3.5mm TRRS headset or a USB-C/USB headset that Xbox Series X supports. Once done, make sure your console is updated so it recognizes newer headsets. Go System, Settings, System Updates. Now connect. Plug the headset into the controller's 3.5mm jack or into a front USB port for USB headsets. You will hear no sound yet. This is the first actionable step to establish. Next, you configure audio so both game and chat route correctly. Open the guide and go to Profile and System, Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories to ensure the controller is recognized. Then adjust headset volume and the chat mixer via guide audio. Push game/chat balance toward chat if you need clearer voice. Also set audio output under TV and audio. Choose headset as output or enable headset audio when using TV speakers. These steps make sure the console sends the right signals to your wired headset. Finally, verify the mic and finalize settings. Start a party via guide parties and chats and speak to confirm others hear you. Enable mic monitoring if you need playback of your voice. If there's no input, check the controller's mute switch and make sure the 3.5mm plug is fully seated. For USB headsets, try a different USB port. If problems persist, reboot the console and test another controller or headset to pinpoint whether the headset, controller, or console is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.